right, so we're gonna put this railing up, and we're gonna use my favorite drywall anchors, the Easy Anchor drywall anchor. These are really nice. Now what I do is I take a drill bit, I drill the holes in first, and then I take these and I then drill it into the hole until I hear a satisfying little click. When it clicks, that means that the thing is broke inside and clicked against the wall. And so that's ready, and then they give you the screws that fit it perfectly, so there's no slippage, and it'll be strong for this railing. So let's do that next. Now, just to show you how powerful these are, when you drive them in, they really drive in. Hear that? It click. You really get a good, real tight. Look at that. They're great. Look how that is super solid. That's why I look. Yeah, there we go. So when you come up, you grab it. It's nice and solid. Give you a grip all the way up. There we go. Boom, done. Come down. That took care of that. All right.